If you are also planning to buy a new 5G smartphone these days, then today's video is for you. Today we are going to give you information about the latest smartphone of Nokia, in which you are going to get Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 200 megapixel camera, that too at a very low price. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. Display. If we talk about the display of the mobile, then you will get to see a 6.95-inch AMOLED display inside this great smartphone, in which, along with 144 Hz refresh rate, touch sampling rate of 390 Hz is going to be available, so that you can enjoy great games and video quality. Apart from that, you will also get to see in-display fingerprint sensor in it. Camera setup. Now talking about the camera setup of the mobile, you will get to see the setup of 4 cameras at the back of the smartphone, whose primary camera is going to be 200 megapixels with OIS support. Apart from this, it will have 3 other camera setups of 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels and 8 megapixels. Talking about the selfie camera, you will get to see a 50 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. Talking about the processor of the mobile, you will get to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in the smartphone. Talking about the operating system, you will get the latest Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Now talking about the excellent battery backup of the mobile, a 7500 mAh battery will be seen inside this smartphone, which supports 65 watt fast charging. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, the estimated price of this mobile can be around $600. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.